What's poppin', dogs? Mr. Allen here, and I'll tell you what's poppin'. The math is poppin'. This problem is poppin'. Write an algebraic expression to model this particular pattern. I'm going from 2 to 6, which is up 4, and then from 6 to 18, that's up 12, and then I don't even know, man. So we got something else going on here. Well, if I triple 2, meaning multiply by 3, I'd get 6. Let's see if that works again. If I multiply by 3 again, I'm going to get 18. And if I multiply by 3 again, I'm going to get 54. Okay, so multiplying by 3 is my pattern here. And when I'm doubling or tripling or quadrupling or whatever, something like that, I'm dealing with an exponential function or exponential expression to model this particular pattern. So what I'm going to have here is 3 to some power. That's going to be like my starting point here as I try to build this expression, okay? Now, my first number is 2, so generally speaking, we're going to throw a 2 out in front here. Not always, but generally speaking here, with some of these easier ones. Now, I have 2 times 3 to the x. Well, if I think of these as like terms 1, 2, 3, and 4, if I plugged in 1, it's this guy right here, right? 3 to the first is 3 times 2 is 6. That gives me that term. If I plugged in 2, I'd get 3 squared, that's 9. 9 times 2 is 18, so the 2 gave me the 18. I'm getting the one after it. Well, how do I get the one that I want then? I need the one before what I'm getting. So to go back 1 in math, I'm going to subtract 1. Let's see if that works. If I plug in 1, I'm going to have 3 to the 0 power, which is 1. 1 times 2 is 2. So far, so good. Let's see if we can get it again. Plug in 2. I get 2 minus 1 is 1. 3 to the first is 3 times 2 is 6. Let's see if it works for 3. I don't know, man. Will it? We'll see. Plug in 3. I get 3 minus 1. That's 2. 3 squared is 9. 9 times 2, 18. And if I plug in that 4, I'm going to get 3 to the third is 27 times 2 is 54. We have found our match here, folks. 2 times 3 to the x minus 1 is my algebraic expression that models this particular pattern. That is dope.